Most professional firm websites have the same invisible problem. They're written from the wrong starting point. Services first, process first, credentials first. It feels professional. It also puts every burden of translation on the prospect, and most prospects don't do that work. This is what I call marketing, and it's quietly costing most firms far more than they realize. Marketing leads with the firm. We provide comprehensive financial planning and wealth management services. Our process is built on experience, discipline, and long-term strategy. We put clients first in everything we do. Nothing technically wrong with any of that, but notice what they all have in common. They start with we. They describe the firm, not the person reading. When marketing leads with the firm, the prospect has to do extra work. They have to mentally translate what you do into whether it applies to them. Most prospects don't bridge that gap. They leave. Then marketing starts inside the client's world. It describes their situation, their pressure, their problem, before it says anything about the firm, helping business owners turn irregular income into predictable personal wealth. You've spent decades building something worth protecting. The question is whether your financial strategy is keeping up. If you're a physician preparing to exit your practice, the tax decisions you make in the next 18 months will shape the next 30 years. No translation required. The reader immediately knows whether this is for them. Every time a prospect has to translate your marketing into their own situation, you're imposing a cost. That cost is paid in attention, patience, and trust. Most prospects aren't willing to pay it. The best marketing does the translation work for them before they ask. When your message leads with the client's world, the prospect doesn't evaluate whether you might be relevant. They feel relevant immediately. Pull up your homepage. Read the first 3 sentences. Count how many begin with we or our versus you or a description of a client's situation. If the first column wins, and in most advisor websites it does, you're doing marketing. The fix is a starting point shift. Stop describing what you do. Start describing who you're for and what they're dealing with. Everything else follows. The focused growth audit is where to start. Link is in the description.